Welcome to another session of Srinath Recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make garlic tomato chutney. Heat half a teaspoon of sesame oil in a pan and add 1 tablespoon of urad dal. When it turns light brown, take it out and transfer it into a bowl. Now add a small gooseberry sized tamarind in the same pan and saute this for 1 minute. Take it out and keep it aside. In the same pan, heat 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Now add 12 red chilies. Saute this for 30 seconds and transfer it into the bowl. Add 25 garlic cloves. Saute this for 1 minute and add 15 small onions or shallots. When the garlic turns light brown, transfer it into the bowl. Now in the same pan, add 2 chopped tomatoes. Saute this till the tomatoes become soft. Transfer it into the bowl. Add a little crystal salt and allow it to cool. Now grind this in a blender along with the tamarind without adding water. Heat 3 teaspoons of sesame oil in a pan and add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it splutters, add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Fry this for a few seconds and add it into the chutney. Garlic tomato chutney is ready to serve. You can keep this in refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. This would go well with idli or dosha. Please try it out and post your feedback.